This is some figure which says that you'll see some numbers variations. Some people have different kind of numbers, some people have different kind of numbers. You can see here that in total number of active internet users, 243 million. Total number of internet users as total population, 19% is showing here, but I think I have figured latest figure, which is around 25%, 25 to 27% of population of India has come online, right? Again, very smaller figure compared to US, which is like, for example, around 85% of population has come on the internet. uh, Coming on the internet by mean that people have started using accesses on the internet. In India, the scope is still there. Imagine at least 75% of people are still not using it, right? You can imagine the kind of impact it would have on businesses when all these people are come to the internet. Next is mobile. The total number of mobile active users, which is 200 million, and the mobile internet user as a percentage of the total population, 16% of total population is actually using from India mobile phones. So they are accessing internet, and this is where companies have to be. This is where businesses have to be selling their products, selling their services, and creating a brand using different kind of digital media items, the ad methods. For example, somebody you might have seen many times that when you are using a particular application, you see some banner ads running. Right? It could be for a product, it could be for branding, it could be for anything. But again, this is where you are, and this is where the companies are following you. And this is why, as a digital marketer, you also have to start thinking from that point of view. That okay, this is where everything is moving, and this is what you have to learn about. Since you are in this course, this will actually give you a lot of information uh, about, in case you're having your own business, you're working for someone else, you're trying to learn things as a student. This is how actually things are moving. So next slide I would go, which is again one more slide about the activities in India. People are doing comparing prices of the products. So this is about more towards the commercial side. If I talk about the commercial side, means which is which will be very less about the product, or sorry, or social media. So if they're not doing social media, what they are doing in terms of the e-commerce or the product understanding. So they are comparing price of the products. They are comparing products with similar product prices. They are doing reading review and feedback. And some people are not doing anything on the internet. So why this is important is because from the retail point of view, if you are selling a small stuff, like a clothing or a mobile accessory or to an auto, whatever you are selling, you need to have this kind of understanding that exactly what is the behavior of people on the commercial front.
Right.
All right. This is something this is an information slide, important slide, uh, which came from Google itself. Google used to have one, and I don't know if you have seen it, a great online shopping festival in India. So this is what their understanding was, and this is what they sell to people, saying that okay, this is how things have actually moved in 2015, 12, and 2016, how things have actually moved. Right, number of people who are accessing the internet, and how many people actually
Right.
buying stuff online, right? So as you can see in the year 2015, uh, 50 million Indian shop online. Now we are talking about
Right.
at least a year and a half back, right? Or in fact almost 1 year back, because I know this festival used to happen normally in December month of every year. Now they have stopped it. Uh, this festival was actually intended towards creating visibility, as well as inclination towards the people to have their own to have to start buying things online.
Right.
This is what Google used to promote at that time. So from the population of 350 million, they are saying that around 50 million people actually they used to buy stuff online. Now, with 50 million people buying stuff online, average order value you can take out according to your particular business or whichever business you are in, and you can actually calculate exactly how and where you can reach your own. How can it help your business? So talking about the opportunity for businesses, um, again, I would like to emphasize in this particular marketing framework, reach, engage, acquire, and retain. Conventional marketing methods, like I mentioned, it used to include uh, print advertising, radio, and television advertising, right? Uh, Now you can actually further subcategorize in all these things like print can be in various forms, newspaper as well as magazines. It could also be a pamphlet. But at the end of the day, the objective used to be reaching, engaging, acquiring, and retaining these customers. So when talking about digital marketing methods, so this is where digital marketing methods come into picture. These are the things which can actually be used, which are being run at the present. SEO and content, search engine marketing, email marketing, offline referring, social referral, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. A lot of things are happening on digital because people are there on the internet. So there's something also which is called as integrated marketing, which means that there's a combination of digital as well as traditional marketing in both. So for some businesses who are completely offline, they can do their offline as well as online marketing both as well. If somebody is if a company is completely online, like for example an online shopping cart, they can indulge completely into digital marketing. If, at the end of the day, customers who are present on the digital, they are also present offline, but yes, they are spending and trusting more digital things, digital channels these days, and this is why the companies are required to use the digital marketing channels.